We've all heard money advice that sounds too good to be true or just plain old wrong. But with so much conflicting information out there, it can be hard to know what to believe. Today, we're going to clear up some of the most common financial misconceptions and set the record straight on what it takes to build and maintain a healthy financial life. Welcome to Income Roll. We talk self-improvement, finance, and a lot more. Myth number 1. You need to be rich to invest. Investing is not just for the wealthy. You can start investing with small amounts of money, and over time, as your income and savings increase, you can invest more. Myth number 2. Debt is always bad. Not all debt is bad. In fact, some forms of debt, such as student loans and mortgages, can be beneficial in the long run as they can help you achieve important financial goals. It's important to be smart about the types of debt you take on and to manage it responsibly. Myth number 3. Carrying a balance on your credit card is good for your credit score. Carrying a balance on your credit card can actually hurt your credit score. The best way to improve your credit score is by paying your bills on time and keeping your credit utilization low. Myth number 4. You should always buy instead of rent. Buying a home can be a great investment, but it's not the right choice for everyone. Renting can be a more affordable option and allows you more flexibility to move around or change your living situation as needed. Myth number 5. You can't save money if you're living paycheck to paycheck. Even if you're living paycheck to paycheck, you can still save money. It's a matter of prioritizing and making small adjustments to your spending habits. You can start by cutting small expenses, such as eating out less or canceling subscriptions. Myth number 6. You should always negotiate your salary. While it's important to be aware of your worth and to negotiate for fair compensation, there are also times when it's not appropriate to negotiate your salary. For example, if you're just starting a new job, it's better to wait until you've been there for a while before asking for a raise. Myth number 7. You should always invest in stocks. Stocks are a great way to invest your money, but they're not the only option. There are other types of investments, such as bonds and real estate, that can also be good choices depending on your goals and risk tolerance. Myth number 8. You should never invest in individual stocks. Investing in individual stocks can be a good choice for some people, especially if you're willing to do the research and are comfortable with the risk. But it's also important to diversify your portfolio and invest in a mix of different types of assets. Myth number 9. You should always max out your 401k contributions. While it's important to contribute to your 401k, it's not always best to max out your contributions. It's important to consider your overall financial situation and make sure you're not neglecting other important financial goals. Myth number 10. You should avoid credit cards altogether. Credit cards can be a great tool for building credit and earning rewards, but it's important to use them responsibly. If you're prone to overspending, it may be better to avoid credit cards altogether or to use them only for small, manageable expenses that you can pay off in full each month. Now that we've debunked these 10 money myths, you're equipped with the knowledge you need to make informed financial decisions. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to personal finance, and it's important to do your own research and consult with a financial professional if needed. Stay informed and stay on top of your finances. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us a lot to make more videos like this one. See you soon.